You can get full unlimited access to the Wall Street Journal's website with your Schaumburg Library card. Head to schaumburglibrary.org and select e-library, then movies, music, and magazines, where you can scroll down to the Wall Street Journal and click the link. From there, enter your library card number and your PIN. This will activate a 3-day subscription, and you'll be prompted to create a Wall Street Journal account. Once you create that account, you can read as many articles as you'd like, no paywalls. The only restrictions are that Wall Street Journal Plus content, as well as access through the Wall Street Journal app, are not included. After your 3 days run out, just come back to the library's website and click the link again for continued access. You can use the same Wall Street Journal account you created the first time. Questions? Feel free to ask us by emailing digitalservices@stdl.org.